Welcome to the Drive Smart campaign, where we're dedicated to helping you become a safer, more confident driver in 2025. This year we're focusing on road safety through practical tips, real-life stories, and expert advice. As we kick off the new year, it's the perfect time to set new driving safety resolutions. Small changes in your daily driving habits can make a big difference on the road. One top tip for becoming a better driver: practice defensive driving by always anticipating potential hazards. This means being aware of what other drivers might do, maintaining a safe following distance, and being ready to react to unexpected situations. Resolve to stay focused by eliminating distractions, always keeping a safe distance, and sticking to speed limits. Remember, being a better driver isn't just about following the rules. It's about being aware, prepared, and considerate every time you get behind the wheel. Throughout the year, we'll be sharing tips for driving in different conditions, from handling icy roads in winter to managing sun glare in summer. We'll also cover topics like the importance of regular vehicle maintenance, understanding road signs, and the dangers of distracted driving. Join us every week as we explore these topics and more. Let's make 2025 your safest year on the road yet. Remember, when you drive smart, you drive safe.